Thank you to our partner, Jennifer Lee Courtney, who is our boots on the ground when it comes to talking to our Las Vegas market. And she will be also helping us introduce our talent projects in Las Vegas. Now, why Las Vegas? There are 250,000 Filipinos in Las Vegas, and most of
There are a lot
them
of people.
are medical professionals, hospitality professionals. We have a lot of doctors, nurses, and there is a good potential for our talent projects in Las Vegas.
Having said that, no?
What do you think Sondris has to offer when it comes to the Las Vegas
Overseas
market?
Filipino workers.
Right now, you have the advantage of the exchange rate. Number two, you have the advantage of our promotional terms right now. So we have 10% down only and 10% payable in like 52 months. So you only need to come up with 10% spot. Number three, this development does not need monitoring because this is 100% sustainable. Again, I'm really sorry, but it's really the future.
It really goes back to that.
Yeah, it's really sustainability.
So your message to our fellow Filipinos, OFWs in Las Vegas, come
Okay.
home na, come home.
My message to the Filipinos abroad is this is one of the investments that will really give you the security in the next foreseeable future.
True.
It's an investment that you can really bequeath to your children na hindi sila magagalit. Matutuwa sila. But it's not really very expensive. With all these features, the location. It's really a very good investment.
I agree. I agree.
So yun talaga yun.